Welcome guys! Ito ang ating beef pares. Let's try our beef pares. Ang sarap, oh. Wow, ang daming laman. And then, lagyan natin ng toppings. Chicken skin, my favorite. Chicken skin guys. Tofu. Lechon kawali. Ayan o, ang sarap. And then, lagyan natin ng sauce, konti sauce. And then, chili sauce, garlic, with the onion. Di mawawalang onion, guys. Ayan ang ating pares. Inato.